The Sport Chief was a new addition to Indian Motorcycles' Chief range in 2023. Though it was still in its early stages, the Sport Chief was regarded as a sporty performance cruiser. The Sport Chief was first revealed in February 2023, sent to dealers in early March, and the 2024 model is now available as well. Naturally, the Chief brand is still relatively new since it was brought back to life by Polaris Indian Motorcycles in 2021. It solidifies Indian's position at the top by bridging the gap between the smaller Scout and bigger versions like the Chieftain. Cruiser map. In keeping with this, the Sport Chief, as well as the entire Chief range, is fashionable, strong, and versatile enough to challenge Harley-Davidson and other industry heavyweights in the cruiser market. Given that it outperformed the Chief Dark Horse's air-cooled 116 cubic inch Thunderstroke V-twin, the Sport Chief was more than simply a Chief. The 2024 version has a torque output of 122 pound-feet, with a peak torque of 2,900 RPM, a modest increase over the 2023 version's staggering 120 pound-feet. These figures surpass those of major V-twin rivals including Harley-Davidson, Ducati, and KTM. Additionally, the Sport Chief engine smooths down the drive, which makes it easy. Smooth acceleration and shifting make it comfortable on both city and highway conditions, providing you with the greatest possible motorcycle experience. Overall, the motorbike and engine are rather forgiving. If you corner too quickly, the powerful Brembo brakes will engage without swaying. Furthermore, the engine won't lag if you accelerate through a gear too quickly, but it could snarl in protest. You may also effortlessly enter and depart parking spots thanks to the soft suspension. The front suspension is equipped with inverted KYB forks, first seen on the Indian Challenger, while the rear is equipped with a set of Fox shocks. The rear has been raised to 4 inches, shielding the cyclist from road shocks and making the bike feel more livelier with improved lean angles. The front has the identical 5 inches of travel as the Challenger. However, the sports chair is more than just a chair with a modified purpose. Indian spent a great deal of time fine-tuning the Sport Chief's characteristics to produce a true performance cruiser that transcends its basic appearance. Similar to the Chief Dark Horse, it features updated geometry with a longer wheelbase and less rake and tail. The Sport Chief is more stable because of its longer length, despite the fact that it might be irritating while turning. Furthermore, the Indian Sport Chief, in contrast to the Chief, comes standard with 6-inch handlebars risers, however customers can choose to upgrade to 10-inch ones. The rear ride height has been raised, and the windshield has 3 height adjustments. There are significant variances between the Indian Sport Chief and the renowned Chieftain Dark Horse, which has the same Thunderstroke 116 engines in practically every aspect. Given that it's a tourer, bagger, the Chieftain is significantly more expensive, has a lower seat, and offers greater travel in the rear but less in the front. Despite its sports pretensions, the Indian Sport Chief weighs 685 pounds since most cruisers are hogs, even if they have amazing performance. It doesn't seem heavy when driving, and it handles far better than its listed weight. Indian cleaned the rims and tires along with added some cooler brakes to make sure you felt like you were in a sports car. The 4-piston Brembo calipers positioned radially are sufficient to stop your sports vehicle without coming off as shoddy. The Sport Chief has improved wheel options, with the rear being broader than the front for improved handling and grip, to further enhance its genuinely sporty appearance. Equivalently robust Pirelli tires are mounted on the wheels for traction and a smooth ride. The 2024 Indian Sport Chief has a far more concentrated riding stance than the laid-back Chief. The footrests were positioned in the center of the floorboards, which improved the rider's control over the motorbike. Even with the knees bent over 90 degrees, the rider experiences little to no tension from the more aggressive rider's triangle since it is pleasant. There's enough technology to keep you satisfied, including a Ride Command-powered 4-inch touchscreen that grows better with time.